Taking art to intricate designs, AI tools like Art Breeder and DeepArt are revolutionizing creativity. Picture this: digital masterpieces transforming in real time, each one unique and awe-inspiring. Need a spokesperson? AI avatars from platforms like Deepfake and Synthesia bring scripts to life. These lifelike avatars can deliver speeches, host shows, and even interact with audiences, making them perfect for any media need. AI composers like Amper Music and Endless are creating unique soundtracks in moments. Whether you need a catchy tune or an epic score, these platforms can whip up original music that's perfectly tailored to your project. Game developers and filmmakers are leveraging AI to design immersive worlds and dynamic characters. Imagine stepping into a hyper-realistic game environment or watching a movie with characters that feel incredibly real, thanks to AI. AI is transforming entertainment. Would you embrace AI-crafted content? Share your thoughts below.